Welcome to Lumeer. If you hit the limits of the free plan, it is a good notice that Lumeer is actually helping you. The next step you can do is to upgrade and subscribe for our business plan. You can do that easily in organization settings. Make sure your invoicing contact is up to date and scroll a bit down. Now set the length of your subscription. Please note that the best deal comes with a subscription at least 1 year long. Set when the subscription should start. If you are buying on Friday, for example, your organization may start benefiting on Monday, so it is wise to move the day a bit. Set the number of your users in the organization. Accounts cannot be shared according to our service terms. Set your preferred currency and click the order button. If you already have a subscription and you need to add more users, use the feedback form in the user menu, the contact form on our pages, or send your request to support@lumeer.io.